Now initially, as we go through the steps of long division, we ignore any remainders. We only have to worry about there being a possible remainder at the very last step. Now to start off with, 12 does not go into 8, so we move across a bit. Ignoring any remainders, 12 goes into 80 6 times. Now having placed the 6 above in the answer, the next step is to subtract the 6 multiplied by the divisor 12 from the 80 that we've just divided into, and then we write the result below. Now what we look to do is bring down the next digit in the dividend and place it alongside the number that we've just obtained from the subtraction. This new 84 that we have is divided by 12, and again forgetting about any remainders, although there isn't actually one here, it goes above into the answer. So with another subtraction we have a result of 0, and with no more numbers left to bring down, the division sum is complete, and 0 below actually indicates that there is no remainder to this sum. Thus 804 divided by 12 equals 67. For this example, we can look at 2492 divided by 14. The steps are the same, although there will be an extra division, seeing as we do have a larger dividend of 2492. Like with the previous example, 14 doesn't go into 2, so we look at 24 instead. Like before, the first division result multiplies the divisor 14, then we subtract this number, writing the result below. So now we bring down the next digit in the dividend, which here will give us 109. Now we just repeat what we did before. Again, the result from the division is multiplied by the divisor 14. Ignoring remainders, this number is subtracted with the result written below. Like with the previous example, once we've done the last step and we have no more numbers left to bring down, we are left with the result of 0 below, so there is no remainder to this sum. And we have 2492 divided by 14 being equal to 178. Now this is an example that will feature a remainder, so we'll go through the long division steps and see what we have after the final step. So here, after we've done the last step of our final subtraction, we are left with 3 below, and this is in fact the remainder to this division sum. And for the final answer, we can write 158 remainder 3, or we can write the answer as a mixed number of 158 and 3 over 4, which as you can see is the remainder over the divisor.